What dawned on me this morning was you guys have never seen this with the duals on it, and, you know, the whole complete package. Morning, everybody. So, I don't know if you saw the footage or not, but Pete went ahead and shot the roof of the, I don't know what you'd call her. We never named her, the big C50. But anyway, what dawned on me this morning was you guys have never seen this with the duals on it, and, you know, the whole complete package. Also, I want to give you guys a tech tip. So this is this is considered a mag type lug nut, where it's got the shoulder. It's not an acorn style. So the trick is, when you're putting these on, you get all these started and then slide the wheel onto them and then kind of run them all down. That way you don't end up fighting one that's crooked or something like that. Especially on slotted wheels, it's a lot easier to do it like that. Okay, let's go do the other side now. Alright, come here. Okay, so you guys probably can't see it, but I have 4 lug nuts started of this mag type with the shoulder. I have 4 of them started. So what I'm gonna do is lift up the wheel and pull it straight out so it slides them onto there. And I'm telling you, that's the easiest way to do these. Just like that. Now that they're slid onto the lugs, then you just kind of go around and just go around and tighten them up. If you don't do this on slotted wheels, man, you'll be there forever. And just for today, just for what I wanted to do, 4 lugs is fine. You bump around the yard here. So the reason why we took these off was we did a car show at Dino's Get Down, and she wouldn't fit on the trailer, so we had to take the duals off. It's alright, everybody needs a workout. Alright, there we go. Pick up our fun. Alright guys, don't laugh. So that big C50 is so low that we actually have to jack it up and shim the suspension so we can bump it around the yard here. So when you're looking at it, it actually sits about 2 inches lower than what it does. But anyway, I can give you an idea what this thing looks like, because I don't think you guys have ever seen it with the rear tires on it. Now again, the front end actually goes down about 2 inches. But anyway, it's pretty cool. Pretty menacing looking. And he has the bottom of the fenders here. Just got to fix them up a little bit. But anyway, pretty cool. Just had to do it, guys. I was like, oh, you guys have never seen it with the rear tires on it.
All right, hey, welcome back to Wildcard Wednesday. We're working on the C50, trying to get it finished up. And we've had some questions about some of the aspects of the truck that maybe weren't quite so obvious. So you saw my video the other day, and if you didn't, shame on you. Go back and watch it. But I took the fender extensions and I sanded those down to the green color, and today we're going to get them installed on the truck so it covers up that ugly hole that everyone keeps asking about on the fenders of the C50. I'm going to show you with a little better detail exactly what I'm talking about. I will show you the extensions, and then we'll get them put on so we can get this girl looking just a little bit better. And then I think I'm going to mock up a front bumper just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So you'll see here on the front of the fender, you see the nice rim. You see it going along, and then there's like a little dark triangular shaped piece that looks like it's missing, and it just doesn't complete the truck very well. And you're going to see over on the other side, on the passenger side of the truck, you'll see the exact same thing. Nice fender. This one's a little more green because I've sanded it further. And then you get down to an ugly spot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these fender extensions. Here's the passenger side extension, and here's the driver side extension, and we're going to get those put on so you can see what it actually looks like. So this very well may be the easiest repair to this truck that I've ever done. Check out how long it takes. So you did get to them from inside the doors. There's only one bolt that holds them on. And as long as you can get them lined up, you know, I thought it was going to be easy. There we go. All right, I thought it was going to be easy. Let's see if this helps. All right, we'll try this one more time. All right, that's a little better. Let's go do another one. All right, same song, second verse. one little bolt, and all it does is fight you every inch of the way. Well, that was miserable. All right, let's get a better look at her. All right, how does it look down here? It just completes the truck, doesn't it? You know, that sun is making things real miserable. I think it looks pretty, well, if we could just get rid of the sun, we'd all be dead. I think it looks pretty cool. The sun's giving us a little bit of an irregular shine there, but now I've thought about doing running boards that go from the front fender extension all the way back. Thought about cutting off that front fender extension a little bit higher and just bring a running board right along. I think it might look sort of cool. Tell me what you think in the comments. Let's look at a bumper. All right, as ridiculous as it sounds, sometimes you mock things up with just whatever you have laying around, like bricks. Bumpers are normally not this heavy, but this one came on a great big heavy-duty C50 truck. They're a pain in the butt to lift up. Let's get it up here and see what it looks like. All right. We need something else to prop it up. So you may wonder why I'm wasting my time doing something like this. In reality, it's not wasting time, because to me, it's important to know what something's going to look like before it's done. And this is not going to work. Aye. That didn't feel good. This is not working at all. Well, that sort of gives you the look of it, but not really. I don't know how much vision you have or don't have, but it's leaning too far back. It makes it look like garbage. I wish I had a better way to do it. At the moment, I don't. Well, why don't we try some old baling wire that's so rusty it's probably going to bust. Let's double it up and see if that'll help any. Hopefully we're not going to mess up the grill, but if we do, we do. So Tommy and I have had many conversations as to whether a truck or a car should have a bumper or not. And I've told you before, Tommy is an anti-bumperite. And I love bumpers. So hopefully you guys are on my side, but this is mocked up. Tell me what you think. I think it looks pretty awesome. I think it just finishes off the truck. Then I think it needs running boards. Going from there to there. I think it looks cool with the bumper. Obviously it wouldn't be red. Maybe that's not so obvious, I don't know. So check out here on the hood. It rained the other night. Got my beginnings of rust, and I didn't even put anything on it. And it didn't even rain enough to make a puddle. But here's an update on the fender that we rusted. I think that looks great. Just like Tony the Tiger. It's great. So that pretty much wraps it up for Wildcard Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed the progress we made on the C50. There's going to be another video on Friday. Remember that one. We appreciate all your time. Thanks for watching.